Today we are going to be talking about making our digital choice board. So the first thing you need to do is you need to pick the template that you want to use. You can use one of the ones that I gave you, or you can actually create your own. It's totally up to you. I have decided to use this one right here, and it's already got the template laid out for me. So I'm ready to begin. Today we're going to be working with a pre-K class, and we're going to be working with the ABCs. So I've gone ahead and I've looked for some great links that will help my students understand the ABCs. The first thing I want to do is I want to introduce them to a YouTube video on the ABCs. So I'm going to just simply type in what I want them to do. And I am not done. What I need to do is I need to allow them the option to click on that link so that they can get to the song. So what I'll do is I'll go to a new tab, and this is the song I want them to sing. And I'll come up here to the URL, and I will copy it, Control C, or you can right click copy. I'll come back to my digital choice board, and then I'm going to highlight what I want to be an active link, come up to the top, and I am looking for a little thing that looks kind of like a paper clip. When I click on that, it says, where is the link? What is the link? And it actually kind of knows what I want. I could paste it there, or if it's underneath, I can select it. So then I hit apply, and it's as simple as that. So the next activity I want to give them is, let's say I want them to play this game and see how well you know your ABCs. And I'm going to come up here to this fun game here, ABC and 1, 2, 3 magnets. Once again, copy the URL, go back to our digital choice board. I'm going to highlight what I want to become active, come up and find the little link, and I can paste that in, apply, and now it's active. So you will do that for each of your squares. One square is your evaluation. That is where the students are going to prove that they understand what you've been trying to teach them. So of course, I'm going to go online and I'm going to try to find something to do with ABC recognition. So I'm going to say, take this quiz and let's see how you know your ABCs. I'm going to come over here. I found a quiz on preschool ABC recognition. Copy it. Come back to the choice board. Highlight up to the link. And paste and apply. You will do this for each of your 9 squares. Now, something very important that I don't want you to forget is you need to give credit for every single one of these links. The easiest way to do that would simply to just add another page. This right here is done in Google Slides. So over here you're going to see I have some other little templates. Well, I'm not going to use this one, so I can delete it. And here's the one I'm using right now. But then I can come up here and do plus, and then I can come over here and I can insert a text box and just call it my works cited. Oops, gotta spell it right. I can change the font, make it bigger, make it smaller, all that fun stuff, center it. But on this slide here, I would give recognition for all the places of the websites that I used. Another thing too that you're going to be graded on here is that you have pictures, you need to have images. So at least 2. So I could go in and I could find pictures and I can put them on different squares to make it a little more interesting. I also need to add colors. But for those pictures, make sure you include them on your Works Cited page where you got them from. And last but not least, most important of everything that you've done, if you are using something Google, whether it be a Google Doc, a Google Slide, anything like that, you need to make sure you share it, because if you do not share it, then I cannot look at it and your students cannot look at it. So up here in the top right hand corner, you're going to see a share button. Right now it's private only to me, so I'm the only one that can see it. But if I hear share, I can come down here, and right now it says restricted. Only people added can open with this link. But I'm going to hit right here, change to anyone with the link. And now anyone that has that link can go ahead and open it up and view it. That is what you will copy and paste this into Canvas to turn in your assignment. But make sure that you make it so everyone with a link can view. All right, I hope you have a lot of fun. Make sure you look at the rubric so you get everything included in it that you need, and enjoy.